Good day everybody. In this demo, I taken the SS Industries, a discrete manufacturing company use case, configured the general ledger in Oracle Fusion Cloud 26c ERP, and developed or configured SS Industries continuous ledger monitoring and continuous close AI agent will be cast off. The general ledger has configured for enterprise structure, legal entity, ledger, business units, companies, and natural accounts. The developed SS Industries continuous ledger monitoring and continuous close AI agent, which automates monitoring, variance detection, and continuous close, eliminating end-of-period bottlenecks, will be demoed. The application is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications 26c ERP. These are the details of the created datasets. It has the following datasets such as SS Industries COAAU, SS Industries COACA, SS Industries COACN, SS Industries COADE, SS Industries COAGB, SS Industries COAIN, SS Industries COANL, SS Industries COAUS. I am navigating to the Create Journal module, and I will be displaying the configuration details in the general ledger. The created ledger, legal entity name, accounting date, and the category are selected. The first one is the company details that has been created. The next one is the cost center. The created cost center are searched. All the cost center and its details are displayed. The next one is the account. The created accounts are searched. All the accounts and its details are displayed. These are the different accounts that are present as part of the configuration, their owner's equity, asset, liability, revenue, expense, and other account that were created. These are asset accounts. These are liability accounts list. These are owner's equities accounts list. These are revenue accounts list. These are expense accounts list. The next one is the product. The created products are searched. All the products and its details are displayed. The next one is the location. The created locations are searched. All the locations, the various location details are displayed. The next is the intercompany. The created intercompany are searched. All the intercompany with the various intercompany details are displayed. The final one is the future reserved segment and its details are displayed. The cross-validation rules for the GL were also created, and few of its examples or uses cases will be shown. The scenario taken is that the cache 11110 only allowed with cost centers admin/ADM10. MFG cost centers only allowed with inventory/PPE/production accounts. The data required for testing the scenario is entered, and the cross-validation prohibits the creation of the journal by throwing the error message that the balance sheet account may only be used with the allowed cost centers. The next scenario for the cross-validation testing is that the service cost centers are not allowed with inventory 11310, and it is blocked. The data for this cross-validation rule testing is entered, and the error message is displayed. This is the SS Industries Continuous Ledger Monitoring and Continuous Close AI Agent, which is developed. Here the use case for error journal present in the chart of account is given as a prompt, the AI agent. The AI agent summarizes the data as error journal summary. A total of 47 error journals were found for SS Industries in the current period. All errors are validation errors occurring during the posting of batches. The error message consistently indicates that the journal is unbalanced and suspense isn't enabled for ledger SS Industries COANL or other regional ledgers, requiring enabling suspense or correcting the amounts. Key details for all the journals include journal ID, status, batch name, creation date, chart of accounts, credit amount, debit amount, ledger detail for each error journal entries are displayed. All the 46 error journal entries with its corresponding data are summarized by the AI agent. There are also data regarding the Netherlands, Germany, Britain, US, Canada, China, India, and Australia. Finally, there are explanation and recommendations section with action that has to be taken to mitigate the issues are listed. The next use case regarding the variance is given as prompt to the SS Industries Continuous Ledger Monitoring and Continuous Close AI Agent. The AI agent summarizes, with an introduction, the summary of 52 variance journals found, with the details such as journal ID, batch name, chart of accounts, ledger, variance amount. The details of the 52 variance journals are as follows. There are summary, recommended actions, and a final note. There are summary, recommended actions, and a final note. The developed SS Industries Continuous Ledger Monitoring and Continuous Close AI Agent, which automates monitoring, variance detection, and continuous close, eliminating end-of-period bottlenecks with 2 use cases such the error and variance journal detection was demoed. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.